Ever wondered where we live in the universe? Let me introduce you to our cosmic home, the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy over 100,000 light-years across with hundreds of billions of stars. And guess what? Our solar system is just one small part of this vast cosmic city. It's called the Milky Way because from Earth, it looks like a milky band of light stretching across the sky. But in reality, it's a dense cluster of stars, gas, and dust that gives it that glow. At the center of the Milky Way, there's something massive, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*. It's about 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Fun fact, the Milky Way is constantly moving through space at 600 kilometers per second, and it's on a collision course with another galaxy, Andromeda. But don't worry, that won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're part of something much bigger, spinning through space in the beautiful Milky Way galaxy. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts.